DryLube, dry PTFE lubricant and release spray. Regular lubes leave greasy residue, collect dust, and can stain parts or even mess up sensitive paint and production areas. That's where DryLube comes in, the ultimate dry lubricant with PTFE. Just spray it on a clean surface, give it a few seconds to dry, and you're left with a smooth, dry coating that's super slippery, non-oily, and non-staining. So you can say goodbye to messy applications and keep your tools and machinery pristine and clean. Formulated with no hexane, delivers the same smooth glide from -100 degrees Fahrenheit right up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Use DryLube on hinges, saw tables and blades, locks, linkages, pulleys, slide mechanisms, gear drives, windows, sliding doors, and drawers. Works on metal, wood, and plastic. Excellent anti-stick agent for die cast and injection mold. Ideal for medium to low load resistance. More slippery than silicone. DryLube. Keep everything in motion without the mess.